Hey folks, WhatsApp has done it again this time around, and they've introduced a new feature called the WhatsApp Fingerprint Lock feature, which enables you to use a fingerprint sensor to lock and unlock your phone if your phone supports the use of fingerprint. This is an awesome feature we've been expecting, and finally, before they roll out the dark mode feature for Android WhatsApp, they finally released the WhatsApp fingerprint lock feature that can be used to lock and unlock your feature. This is an additional security measure the developers have put in place to make sure the app is ever secured and your privacy is ever secured and only known to you. The new WhatsApp feature can only be used by you, only one person. You can only register a fingerprint, and the fingerprint will work on both ends. If you register your WhatsApp lock, excuse me, your WhatsApp fingerprint lock to be your index finger on the right, you can as well use the index finger on the left. You can use the thumb, you can use the ring finger, the middle finger, and even the little finger can be used to lock and unlock your WhatsApp. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up the WhatsApp fingerprint lock screen. So there's it. First thing you need to do is you go to WhatsApp, you go to your app, then scroll down to my apps and games. So find the WhatsApp app and click on update to update the WhatsApp version on your phone to WhatsApp version 2.19.221. The current version of WhatsApp with the fingerprint lock screen is the version 2.1.221. So let's go. So once you've been able to update the new WhatsApp, so close it, click on your WhatsApp app. So the next thing you want to do is you click on the more option, under your chat category, click on the more option, click on settings. Now click on account where you see privacy, security and change number, then tap on privacy, stroke down. If your phone supports fingerprint lock and you've successfully upgraded to WhatsApp version 2.19.221, you'll be able to see the fingerprint lock at the bottom. So you just click on it. Now you will see the fingerprint lock at the top. To unlock with fingerprint, enable this feature, which is when enabled, you will need to use fingerprint to open WhatsApp. You can still answer call if WhatsApp is locked. Then click on this. Then accept the pop-up by confirming your WhatsApp fingerprint. So what you need to do is place your supposed finger on your fingerprint sensor, either at the back or at the front of your phone. Confirm. Then you see this interface where your WhatsApp will automatically lock either immediately, after 1 minute, or after 30 minutes. So select any one of your choice. Now to make sure that WhatsApp send you a notification on your lock screen, toggle to enable show content in notification. Now go back. Now you can see this is set. When next you just go back, your WhatsApp will be locked with fingerprint. So whenever you have a message on your WhatsApp, it will be locked and no one will see it. It will only be you and you alone. However, there is this in the fingerprint lock feature on WhatsApp. When you click immediately, your WhatsApp will lock immediately you opted out of the application. Immediately, whether a message comes in or not. Can you see your WhatsApp is locked? WhatsApp locked. So to unlock this WhatsApp, or to unlock your access to the WhatsApp, place the registered finger on your fingerprint sensor. You see, unlock. But if you choose it to be 30 or a minute, you have to wait for 1 minute before the WhatsApp will automatically lock. However, when you press the power button of your phone, the WhatsApp will lock immediately. And to unlock it, make sure you place the right index finger or the registered finger on it, and it will be unlocked. This is really wow. WhatsApp lock. Thanks for watching. Please do share, subscribe, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up.